Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and share Amazon wish list. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your Amazon. Can be from your app or simply go access your web browser and type in amazon.com and get into the official website. And right over here, make sure you're signed in as well. So right after that, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon on top and scroll down, tap on this lists option here in this your account section, and you can see we do have already created ourselves an account which is called wishlist right over here. If you would like to create a new one, you can tap on this plus and simply create a list. Simply tap on this create list, you can rename it over here and you're done. Other than that, you can go back to your existing list, and here in the section you can find your product. Right, first thing that you can do is you can tap on this three dot icon on top and choose to tap on this invite to list. You do have two options for that. If you tap on this view and edit, you have to create yourself a public account, or you can tap on this view only option and you can simply copy the link and you can share this to whoever you would like. You can paste the link to them, you can send them. Whenever they tap on the link, they will redirect to your list and they will be able to check out. But if you would like to share the product in your list, you can tap on this three dot icon beside the product and tap on the share option below, and you can share this link for the product as of the method on top. You can choose to copy link for this as well and share it. So these are the two ways for you to share the product and the wish list of your Amazon with others. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.